How to fix Instagram feeds couldn't refresh feed easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. All you have to do first, just go to settings and then go to apps. Just keep scrolling down until you find apps or applications. Click on it and then go to apps again until you find all the applications that you have on your phone. Now search for Fritz, click on it and then click force stop. Go to storage, clear cache, and that's it. Now just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just try to restart your phone and try again. If that also doesn't fix it, now the last method is click clear data and then go back and try again, and I hope that can help you to fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.